Okay, so here's my tip using Uber in San Juan. When I was at my Airbnb in Ocean Park, at one point when I checked, it was over $20 to get me from Ocean Park to Old San Juan. Now later I checked and it dropped to like $8, which was quite cheap. But I've also seen around 15 or 16. But the key is to just keep checking if you don't have to be somewhere right away. And then the other thing I do is just move around a bit. So I was telling you I'm walking the bridge across the lagoon here by the Caribbean Hilton. And now when I checked Uber to get to Old San Juan, I was able to get a ride for $3.82. And that's so cheap. So it could tell I was on the middle of the bridge and it's probably got a lot of drivers nearby. So I'm gonna just walk over there. I put the pickup point right over there. I'll walk over there and get picked up. And my other tip is to put in Plaza Colón. Plaza Colón is the plaza where you enter Old San Juan, and because the streets are so small in Old San Juan, I've learned this: instead of putting exactly where you're going, you don't necessarily need to bother with having them take you to, well, if you're willing to walk, I should say, like El Moro, for example, because that's okay, you can get dropped there, but some of the restaurants and such that are real in Old San Juan, they're on these side streets and they're cobbled streets, and it'll take so long to get there you could just walk. So also the ride will probably be cheaper to Plaza Colón if you're looking to save some money. Now here's a nice bike path that goes all the way to Old San Juan, and that's what I biked before when I rented that bike over there, and it's quite fun. I contemplated doing it today, but I don't really want to deal with the bike in Old San Juan, chaining it up or something. So this shows you the bike route, but it's a great walking path here, and I could walk there, but it's quite a ways, so I want to save a little energy once I get out there. So anyway, that's my tip on using Uber. First, just wait a bit, the price will likely drop, and second, move around if you're willing to walk to where there's more Ubers. Then call the Uber and you can get a big discount. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.